Hello everybody and welcome to the Elinz unboxing video for the Cosmoblaze 20-inch LED light bar. We've pre-opened the box, so let's go ahead and find out what we've got inside. Alright, so first thing it looks like we've got here is some fixing components for the actual LED light bar itself. So there's some brackets, some nuts, some bolts, some washers, just a wide range of bits and pieces to fix the light bar itself to the vehicle that you're installing it to. And then we've got a third one there as well. So it looks like 3 sets of fixing kit for this light bar. Next thing we've got here is the wiring harness. So we've got the switch for inside the vehicle. We've got a relay for the actual wiring componentry itself, and we've got a positive and negative lead to go to the battery and to any part of ground on the vehicle. And then it looks like we've got the output plug as well that goes eventually to the actual light bar. Alrighty. Next we have the light bar itself. So it's a nice sturdy design, feels like it's strong, made of aluminium. Yeah, very nice and weighty actually, and yeah, it looks like it's got some good reflectors and LEDs in there. We've also got down this end here the connector to go to the wiring harness, and it looks like that's it. Alrighty, so thank you for watching the unboxing video for the Elinz 20-inch Cosmoblaze light bar.